I'm going to show you the one mistake that you're making that you're not supposed to make with mock building. And we're starting right now. Hey everyone, welcome back. If this is your first time here and you want to see more tutorials as well as mocks and city updates, then make sure you subscribe. I would really appreciate that. And then turn on notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. As far as I know, you can still get notifications because I'm pretty sure there aren't any made for kids videos on my channel. But apparently if you don't select them yourself, now YouTube sets them automatically as made for kids to protect people, but to protect children. But if they want to protect children, shouldn't they be marking them as not made for kids automatically? It doesn't make sense. But without further ado, here is the one mistake that you are making. Do you build walls like this? You're doing it all wrong. Because it doesn't look good, it doesn't have a pattern. I mean, obviously it looks a lot worse because a lot of these bricks are discoloured 80s bricks or 90s bricks. But see how easy it is to just push them off. Obviously, if you're going to do separate pillars, that's the way to go. But if you're building a proper wall, don't build it like this, because that just fell out of my tutorial. My shelf that I used for this tutorial there, because it falls out so easily. So, what is the correct way to build it? I'm going to show you now. It's called staggering, and this is how they build real walls, which you've hopefully noticed at some point during your lifetime, but probably don't know what it's called. But we're going to start right now with that. Okay, that's what we're going to take first. This represents a base plate. Obviously, in a real mock, you would use an actual base plate, but that's just what we're going to use to represent a base plate. So the first row needs to overlap the supplementary base plate, I guess we can call it. Can you see what I'm doing here? That's how you're supposed to build bricks with Lego. This is how they build real life buildings. So, A, it makes it look better when it's got a pattern like that. B, it looks more realistic. And C, most importantly, it doesn't break as easily as just stacking the bricks on top of each other, because they don't build houses like that in real life, so don't build them like that with Lego. So you'd obviously build the corners and then build along from there, but we're not going to do that because you can pretty much work out where I'm going here. So can you see what I've done here? So now it's a lot harder to break the wall. You can't push it, and you can't just push it and make it fall apart unless you push it with a lot of force. So that's what it should look like from the sides. That's where you that's where you connect the corners. That's another thing, you need to connect the corners on mocks, because otherwise you can just pull a wall off really easily. and that's good for easy access, but it's not good for keeping the building sturdy. So make sure you always build mocks like this. I just wanted to do a quick video today because I'm currently in the process of building the 2011 police station for a review. Maybe it's 2012, I can't remember what exact year it was, but from that era, that police station, so I'm currently in the process of building that, but it'll probably be more than a week before that review, so I'm trying to get a video out with at least one a week, which is why I'm doing this. So I hope this helps with any future mocks that you may have. So if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next video. Bye.